Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Google Translate. After you open up your Google Translate, next thing you need to do is to make sure you choose your translated language right here. So click on here. So for instance, if I want to translate from English to any of the language right here, what I'm going to do is to go ahead and select a particular language I want to translate into. Once you select a language you want to translate into, open up your camera right here. Now, once you open up your camera, then you can go ahead and take a picture of a sign or product or anything you would like to translate so far. Let's say, for instance, I want to translate this particular. So you can see right here, it has recognized and try to translate. So you can see. So you just need to position it properly. So let's take a look at this one right here. So you can select an image from your phone, whether you have any screenshot of a thing, you can select an image of a screenshot. So like for instance, I'm going to select a screenshot right here. I'm going to select this screenshot, and in a few seconds, you can see it's going to translate everything into my desired language right here. Then one more thing here is that we can easily change language right here. We can click on here and switch from Arabic to another language of our choice. So right here, and I can go ahead and select another language right here. So I can decide to use this particular language, and let's see. And in a few seconds, it translates it without any stress. It's that simple. You can use this to translate any sign of a thing that you do not understand as far as Google Translate is concerned. It's that simple. So this is the power of Google Translate camera and how best you can use it at your own advantage. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Google Translate, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.